What's up guys, TechRax here. So in this video we're going to be doing the ultimate iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Nokia drop test. We have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, we have the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Yes, this is a perfectly working Samsung Galaxy Fold. And the crazy thing about this, guys, I just want to show you, when I got this phone brand new, I posted it on Twitter. It came with this little messed up LED right there, whatever, distortion in the display. So it's been around there forever. I haven't actually taken it back, but just for fun, we're also going to include the legendary Nokia 3310. This is the world's most indestructible phone. So we're going to see exactly all three phones drop test from this height. Check it out. And this is going to be as raw as it gets, guys. No case, just a straight up drop. We're going to see where it lands, how it does. First up, we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're going to see what happens. So no cases, guys, just a real raw and uncut drop test. Let's go ahead and see what happens in 3, 2, 1. Just like that, guys, look at this. Phone is already glitching. I don't know if I should be surprised or shocked. When I came down here, the screen was actually glitching out green. It was blinking, but now it started working. It's back to fully working order. It's horrible in condition, guys. The condition is just destroyed. It's cracked. You guys can see there's like a green line on the right side, the initial kind of impact here with the distortion, and the back is the worst. Looks like it just went through some like robotic transformation. All that glass is missing. Camera's actually held up pretty good, which is crazy, but just look at that in detail. That's insane. So it actually did fall about 20 stories, just for reference, when I dropped the Galaxy Fold, but I wanted to make this, you know, as real and raw and uncut as it gets with no case. Next up, we have the Samsung Galaxy Fold, guys. This is the long-awaited crazy drop test from the staircase. $2,000 for this smartphone, and we're gonna see exactly what's gonna happen. So, of course, we have that plastic screen this time around, so it'll be very interesting to see, even if it drops 20 stories or so, how will it survive? Will it last? We're about to find out, guys, in 3, 2, 1. That was incredibly loud compared to the iPhone. And there's the Galaxy Fold, guys. Look at it. It's also blinking, except only part of this display is blinking here. Whoa, never mind. Let me take a look. What is going on here? The whole right screen is kind of working. The left side isn't. Let's go ahead and see if we can close it. What happens when we close the phone? Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at the back. This phone is destroyed. Let's see the other. Oh, whoa. So this part actually still works. Guys, that's some good news. So we can still use this phone, but just that small little display here. So let's try and open it up again. It seems to work a little bit when I have the Fold folded in halfway, but as soon as I go like this, turns off, but then, turns back on. Turns off. I guess it's like a little hack. And just for the fun of it, guys, we're going to drop both the Galaxy Fold and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at the same time to see as a final result. So both phones, obviously, they're still working. The actual display on the Fold isn't, but let's go ahead and just do it for fun, see what happens in 3, 2, 1. Again, we got a green screen. Back is destroyed even more. Look at this. But let's look at the big one here. This is it, guys, the Galaxy Fold. So this thing was still showing a sign of life earlier. I don't think that's gonna happen anymore now. So horrible condition, guys. This thing is bent. Let's pop it open. Still snaps open, and it does close, but horrible condition. And at the end of the day, the crazy thing to point out is the iPhone is still showing a sign of life, whereas this is not. So definitely sucks here. Let me try. Hit the power button. Yep. No sign of life here. Finally, guys, we got the Nokia 3310. Of course, we're going to turn on the camera just to see what happens, and we'll see how it survives and if it gets the video footage. So same height. Let's go ahead and do it. About 200 feet, 20 stories. In 3, 2, 1. And look at this, guys. The indestructible phone actually got destroyed. The battery is missing here. The case is basically cracked. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Here's another piece of the Nokia 3310. Got the little keyboard here. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. This feels like little Lego pieces. Oh my goodness. Nice little surprise. So in conclusion, guys, that wraps it up. We have all the phones here, all the little pieces of the Nokia 3310, the Galaxy Fold that has no signs of life, and then of course the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which surprisingly is still flashing that green. So that's pretty crazy, guys. That wraps it up for the drop test. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.